You want to learn how to take snapshots in Premiere Pro, basically exporting a frame or exporting an image as a frame. In this video, I'll help solve that problem. First, open up a project in Adobe Premiere Pro, and on the top, you'll find this window. Click this and switch the workspace to either Essentials or Editing. Now, under the video, you're going to find this buttons. You'll find this icon which says Export Frame. Looks like a camera icon. And if you do not see it here, on the right, you'll find this plus button which says Button Editor. It's going to open this. It's a pop-up. And inside this, we have a lot of buttons. This is the icon which you're looking for. This is Export Frame. You can just click this and drag it onto your button editor. Then you can click on this button which says OK. Now to export the frame, you can click on this icon, or you can do Ctrl+Shift+E. Let's click it, and it's going to give us this pop-up which says Export Frame. Inside it, you can change the name. You can change the format. So it's currently PNG. You can make it GIF, JPEG. This is the path to where the file will be saved. You can browse it and change the file location. You can make it desktop, and it's going to change the path. You can also import into project. Now just click on OK. And if you go to desktop, I see my image saved here as a PNG, and I can open it up. And this is how you can take snapshots in Premiere Pro and export the frame as a PNG file to your computer. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.